Hey, we'll be doing another Clash of Code, and yeah, I would like to go to top 100, but it is eluding me. So yeah, we're gonna have another stream of doing Clash of Code, and yeah, I hope to do another stream shortly with regards to the Spring Challenge 2022. It'll be a bot coding competition, and that will be quite cool. So yeah, I hope I can get the at least goal, aiming for legend this time around for the bot coding competition. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know for sure how well I'll do. Okay, let's go. All right, so now we're doing the live rank Clash of Code. Okay, shortest mode, you are given an ASCII diagram. You must determine whether or not it represents two parallel horizontal or vertical lines. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, I don't quite get the question. So if it's two parallel or horizontal like if it's horizontal line, it's like that, I guess. And then if it's vertical lines, okay, let's see the test case. Okay, if it's vertical line, then like that is valid. Oh, so it must contain like, okay, so I get it. It basically must contain like this one all must have the same in the line itself. Yeah, so essentially we will not need to check the plus characters, right? Because if it's the plus characters, it will definitely not be in a line. So it must represent two parallel horizontal or vertical lines. I mean, one way to do is to just count the number of dash over here, like that. Okay, the horizontal line is easy. We can just do a count of how many of this sum up to. Yeah, but we also need to make sure that uh, all these are from the same line also. So that's the challenge. Yeah, there must be like no other character that is okay. So these characters all donate. I'm just thinking whether they will do a trick question. Okay, if they do a trick thing, they will do all like dashes, but then they give dash somewhere else, like they give a dash over here. Then I need to take into account that dash as well. Okay, let's code a very naive solution first. Okay, I mean the naive solution. Yeah, I'll use Ruby. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do this d dot splits. Okay, okay, let's just print this out first. So with 20, 10, and all the rest of the arrays. So we can just set this as uh, height with star A. And maybe we can print out A, which will be the array of this. Okay, so what we can do is A dot each. Let's say we call it X, we print out X. Let's see whether we can print out each of the rows of the, yeah. Okay, so let's say we want to count characters in string Ruby. So I think we also have a string.count method for Ruby. So yeah, we can do string.counts. Okay, so if we want to count dash, so it's like, okay, so I need to sort of convert my h and w into integers. Okay, so if we do a x.counts dash, okay, let's just count the number of dashes. Okay, this close bracket here. So 0020. Okay, so if we have two of this, then this will be a valid thing. So basically, I will just need to basically count whether like this is equals to w.2 ints. So this will ideally give us force into string. Okay, so maybe what we can do is we can do a dot sum like that. So we can print out whether is it 2 or not. Okay, so maybe what we need to do is we need to do the sum of this. Hey, hi, Hydrazer. Yeah, this is actually quite a difficult clash, you know. I mean, given that this is like shortest mode. Okay, let's see whether I can do this. Implicit conversion of force into string. Oh no. Okay, so they don't accept me doing this as a force. Okay, so if let's say this is force and like if this is a boolean, okay, somehow it doesn't allow me to. I mean, I thought this would actually work unless the issue is with this. Okay, let me just put a bracket here. Okay, let's just put a bracket here to just see whether the issue is that. Okay, so then maybe the issue is with here. Ah, there we go. We have a force. Force can't be coerced into integer. Okay, so we have this issue. We can print that this is force. Okay, so maybe and just put like that. Sum is 1 if like that. Nil cannot be coerced. Okay, I guess we need to put like a 0 here. Ah, okay. So print the sum will be this if it's equals to width. Okay, so this should be equals to height actually. Okay, I want this to equals to 20. So this is actually the width. Okay, let's just print this out to see what this is printing. 110. So actually it has printed 1 here. Okay, but somehow when I sum this up, it gives me 0. Okay, so that's a curious thing to. Okay, I know how to do this more efficiently already. We can just do it like that. We can use the ternary operator. Ah, there we go. See, we have 2 now. Okay, so we have this. Okay, and then let's see transpose array in Ruby. Is there a transpose method? I think there's a transpose function in Ruby. If I'm not wrong, there's a transpose method. A dot transpose. Yeah, let's try doing that. So let's also print a dot sum. Okay. Okay, so actually I think this one can take away the brackets. Okay. Okay, so turns out that we do need this thing after all. Okay, let's try to do this. Implicit conversion of string to array type error. Maybe we have to do this like that. A dot transpose. Okay, let's just print a dot transpose and check whether this is correct. Oh, okay. I need to do this into array. No implicit conversion of string to array type error. Okay, so I guess what we need to do is, because A is in the form of many strings, we need to map this. Okay, this is a tough part. I need to transpose this thing downwards so that I can see like each of this here. Yeah. One thing I can think of doing is I can use a for loop, or I can use like a loop to traverse this, because this part tells you whether or not this it has horizontal lines. I just need the vertical lines part to be correct. So apparently this transpose thing doesn't really work. So not sure. Maybe I print a dot cast. Okay, dot split. Okay, so maybe we can do this. A equals to a dot map. Okay, a dot map. Yeah, this is a tough one. Yeah, in order to do the transpose, I need to sort of map this into chars. I don't know. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Undefined method split. Okay, okay. Ah, okay. Now we map into a car array. All right. And can I do a dot transpose? Yes. Okay. Then can I print this out here? 2 0. Okay, great. So let's see the custom test case. Test case two here. So basically, I will have two of them. So I will have like so I can even do this thing here, right, at the beginning. 2 0 0. So if any of them is two, okay, then basically the equation will be true. So this one will be equals to 2, or put s. Okay, this one. Okay, let's just put the brackets. What am I supposed to print? Valid or invalid, right? Okay, this might fail for some test cases because I only count whether there's this line or not. But I think this should probably work. I just do this to underscore one and this one to underscore one. Yeah, so in fact, if you want to shorten this, we can even do it like that. Valid, and this one in, like that. Okay, then we can do like a plus valid at the end. Okay, I guess I will need a bracket. Okay, let's not change this code because there's no time left. I just hope that this actually satisfies the requirements for the test case. Okay, I can actually put less by making this, and then this one can be one less or so. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I guess we have no time. I'll just have to rely on some like just have to hope that it works. Oh yes, it works. Thank goodness. Oh, I almost thought it didn't work. So it just checks whether the sum of the horizontal counts is it the same as the width, and the sum of the vertical counts is it the same as the height. Okay, and then if it's like equals to two, either of them is equals to two, then it'll be valid. If not, it'll be invalid. So I'm actually this is actually a bit yeah, it's actually a bit cheating because like if you have some test cases whereby your lines are not like fully like basically they give you one dash, so they give you two full lines, horizontal lines, but they give you another dash somewhere else. My code wouldn't be able to check it, so I'm just hoping that because this shortest mode, I just took some chance. I'm just hoping that there won't be test cases that give like two full horizontal lines with extra stuff. Yeah, so it's actually a bit cheating. Yeah, I mean it wouldn't work for all cases, but okay, let's see the next best solution by Supermarket. This is the bot, by the way. So yeah, this was something that I was thinking of, like doing a for loop, and then after that, in the range of buffer vert dot append, yeah. So we check whether it's the same as wave, and then check the horizontal. Why did he do this though? I inverts if buff I not equals to underscore verts dot remove I. So you just append based on the starting one, who has this vertical line, and then if the vertical line is not present in any of the next few rows, then remove it. Yeah. So I guess my code is I think it work for all test cases after all because like if the line is not full, they don't count it as a line. Yeah. So I guess my code works. I mean, it's really just using Ruby to do accounts and then just check. Yeah, I do like 1 0. I'm not too sure whether Ruby has a way to directly convert a boolean into a number because I'm not aware of that method. I know if you use Python, you can directly use a boolean. Okay, and the boolean, if you use like addition of two booleans, they will do typecasting to an integer for you. So like true will be a one and a false will be a zero. So that happens for Python, but I don't think in Ruby this happens. So who knows? Okay, anyway, let's move on to the next one. Okay. Wow, he just starts with me. He didn't even wait for anyone to populate the clash. All right, fastest mode. Okay, let's go to Python. Print out a statement given the input string one IP, string out. Print none if there are no alphabetical cars. Okay, or in the following list in constraints. Okay, I don't quite get this question. Print out a statement given the input. Okay, print out none if no alphabetical cars in the following list in constraints. What am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do? Hmm. Ignore all non-alphabetical values except for the following. And spaces, I guess, yeah. So I need to take away all the alphabetical characters. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's just do it. Okay, so what we'll do is for each in IP. Okay, if each in okay the basically all the if and in this okay or each dot is alpha because alphabets are counted. Okay, so we do have output. Okay, output maybe you just call it O equals to print like that. Okay, O plus equals to each. Okay, then at the end of it we just append the back and then we just print this O. Oh, I'm supposed to print out none, is it? None equals false. Okay, if none, then we print O. No, sorry, if none, we'll print out. What do we print? We'll print out none. Else, we'll print out O. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this out. Oh, I failed the impossible case. Oh, I guess if it's a space, I'm not supposed to count it as. Okay, what did I print out here? I print out nothing. Okay, so I'm quite curious. What exactly failed here? None is true. Oh wow. Okay, none is true. It should print out none, right? Oh. Ayo. I put a none over there instead of. Okay. I put a capital N for the none. All right. So yeah, this was just checking whether these characters exist and then whether it's an alphabet. Then you just put into the output here. If let's say there's nothing that is in here that is needed, then we so we'll print out this string called none. If not, we'll print out the string with the print and then whatever characters you extract here and a close bracket. Yeah, that was an easy clash. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another one. That was easy. Okay, let's go. Let's see shortest mode. Actually, I don't like shortest mode. It takes very long to do it. Yeah, okay, let's see. Sunrise, you drive your bus to the first stop without any passenger. At each bus stop, some people get in the bus, some people get off. You have to count how many people are in the bus at the end, including yourself. Okay, so what do we do? We have the number of bus stops, we have the number of people who in and out. Okay. Okay, so if let's say two people in, zero out, so you just plus two minus zero, plus four minus one. So that's 5 plus 1, 6 minus. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, including yourself. So it's like 2 plus 6 plus 1, that's 7 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 3, then you plus 1 again to get 4. Okay, so if it's shortest mode, I definitely have to use Ruby. I'll use this shortcut thing again, and then we just do dot split, and then we map, okay, all of them to integers. Okay, so let's print this out. Okay, 3240. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is something because like we don't really need the first number 3. Okay, but actually we can just do it like that first. We can just do it A. Okay, then we can just basically for each of this we add 1 and we subtract 1. So I believe the command is called each slice. So we can do something like, okay, let's print this out. Okay, so we do this, okay, because we can do like that. Okay, I'm just wondering whether I should use this. I think this will be shorter. So if we were to do this, okay, it should give me 20 something. Okay, then we can do each slice 2, and then let's say we have like x y. Let's print x and y here to see what this function does. So it's 20 for, okay, so um okay, slice 2. Okay, I wonder if I can do a sum over here. Maybe like x plus x minus y. Can I do something like that? Okay, no, I think I have to do this each slice 2 first. Got some. Okay, let's see whether this works. Okay, no, it doesn't work. So, okay, let's see whether I can print x minus y first. Okay, so I think I can do a map. yeah, mapping works. After you do each slice 2, you can do a map. So I can map my xy to x minus y. Okay, so I can just do it like that. My dot sum. Okay, now I need to print this here. Okay, because this will be 3. Okay, then I can just do a plus 1 at the end. Okay, that I think is probably the shortest that I can think of. I wonder if we can do this. Yeah, because you need to do like plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Use this each slice 2. I guess the other way will be to do a sum, and then like I have another variable that I like multiply by minus 1, and then like, or I can basically look through the index. If the index is like even number, then I'll add. If not, I minus. Not too sure whether this each slice 2 is the best way to do it, because I cannot do the dot sum over here with each slice 2. That's the only issue. Yeah, I wonder if I can do like array in Ruby, um, get every second element. Yeah, we can do a dot select. Oh, you can do this. Yeah, still need to do a map. Yeah, I think this will be faster. Yeah, should be okay. Submitting. Just submit. You can take your time. Yeah, yeah, sure, no problem. Oh, all right. Let's see whether this will win. Yeah, wonder if the rest can think of something. Okay, but yeah, no problem. We'll just do another one. Yes, reverse mode. 2, 3. This looks like adding 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8. This Fibonacci, isn't it? I know it's not. 5, 6, 11. Okay. I guess this is the increment, right? Yeah, okay. So let's do in Python. Okay. So we have n is what? And then we have a poly equals to input. Why do they do this? Okay, so I guess mm, then we need to do like for I in range n, okay, prints a plus b. Okay, we have another variable c equals to a plus b. Print c, and then like maybe we just need to make a equals to c. Okay, 5, 8. Okay, so no, b should be equals to c because this is the starting number. We don't change the increment. Okay. Yeah. Wow, that he's really fast. Yeah. So the idea was to basically this is the start this is the increment and this is the starting number. So for all the n here, we start with b and then we just keep incrementing by a and print out n times. Yeah, that was what the question needed to do. Oh, really fast. Whoever was that, that was really fast. That was really, really, really fast. Noah, yeah, really, really fast. That was even faster than I could think of how to solve it. But yeah, okay, let's actually today this time is actually quite good for Clash of Code. So if you are watching this and you know you want to do Clash of Code, wow, today's Clash of Code, look, last time I get 3, today's Clash of Code I get first most of the time. I guess now is the time when a lot of people are not pros who are playing. So I summarize maybe like around this time is the best time to play Clash of Code if you are looking to rise in rank. But to be honest, for me, I don't really care what time I play. Yeah, the idea is actually to use Clash of Code as a means of like practicing, practicing some code. I mean, because the idea is that like if you get familiar with how to do the different syntax with your programming, you can use it for other tasks. Yeah. So there was a point in time I learned JavaScript on Clash of Code. Yeah, it was quite painful. I've never used JavaScript since because I quite like Python. Yeah, I tried using C++ also, so I learned for competitive programming using Clash of Code. So it's a good platform for all this. Okay, let's try to solve this decimal number into English using hex speak. Is there such a thing? Using hexadecimal digits. Okay, so A B C D E F to A B C D E F 0 to B to O. Okay, so translate a decimal into hexa. Okay, and then back to English. Uh, okay, the output never starts with O except the. Okay, so I guess the first thing what we need to do is to just convert this into hexadecimal. Okay, and then maybe what we do is we'll do slicing of from 2 onwards. Okay, is there something wrong? Okay, let's print out n first. So, oh, okay, so no, we shouldn't do this. H equals to hex n. Look at that, JavaScript solved it so fast. Okay, so we have this. Okay, and then maybe we do like on 2 onwards like that. Okay, and then basically we want to do a replace of every 0 to O. So I guess I can just use the replace function. Then I print this h dot upper. Okay, done. Oh, that was really fast. The JavaScript code to do this. It was really fast. Okay, replace 0 with O. Nice. To string 16. This is like the hex. So JavaScript has something that Python doesn't have. Like they can do this to string with any base. Okay, but Python only has like hex, binary, and so on. Yeah, so he did exactly the same steps as me. Yeah, to uppercase at the end. Okay, let's see this. Replace dot swap case. Nice. Swap case. Let's see what swap case is. Swap case. Swap case. Swap. Do we swap? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's just swapping the lower and upper case. Yeah. In this case, it works because the input is all small letter. But I think a more safer method, a safer method will be to use to upper like what I did. Because like just in case, the hexa they give you capitals, but hexa doesn't give you capitals already. So yeah. So I think both methods work. Yeah, this method works as well. Yeah. And there's no need to do a string already because this hex gives a string actually. Okay, let's do another one. So yep, today is a good day actually. Today is a good day for Clash of Code. Okay, let's wait a while. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Reverse mode. Okay, butter XL gives me beer. Why? Okay, across ACROSS. BEE. Oh, I get it. I get it. NORT. Okay, so we do an input dot split. Okay, for each in S. Okay, Okay, so we have the output equals to this. So O plus equals to each 0. Okay, after that we also do for each in S reverse O plus equals to each minus 1, which is the last digit, last letter, and then we print O. Oh, that was insanely fast. I didn't even need to correct my code. It was like boom, and the code submitted. Yeah. So the idea is to give the starting letter for each word, and then once you reach the end, you give the last letter for the word in reverse sequence of words. Yeah, which is what I did here. Okay, cool. Let's go. Keep the momentum. All right, now I'm the host of the clash, so I'll just wait until 8 people are coming in. Yeah, I wonder if there's any like community events recently. Oh, oh no. Yeah, later I'll check out whether there's any events. Okay, let's just launch the clash. Okay, reverse mode. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 times 3. Okay, this is actually quite easy. Okay, we just take all the input and then we just print out eval number 1 plus equation plus. Okay, we just need to make sure that all these are strings. Then we just evaluate the whole expression. Oh, oh. Oh, because this is an X. Okay, so this is 1.0, so we need to round it down. So eval is like a cheating way of doing certain things. Like if you don't want to do a if else statement for all the like operations, you can use eval and then eval will calculate the operation for you. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'll do one last clash before I leave for today. So wow, it just started with two of us. Okay. All right. Fastest mode. Given an integer n, repeatedly sum up all the digits until the result has only one digit left. Okay. And then repeat the number you end with. Okay, sure. So basically what we do is for each n, okay, what we can do is we can do like that. While length n, okay, we should do string actually, greater than 1 for each in n, okay. Okay, so s plus equals to int each. Yeah, then we can just print n. Oh, wait. I need to do like n equals to s. N equals to s, string s. Okay, done. Today's clashes are nice. So it's basically just take the string. I just use a string actually. Yeah, then I just sum up each digit and then I set the new number to be the string of that digit I sum up with. So then I print out n again. Okay. Yeah, it's quite late here right now. And yeah, I think this was quite good actually. Yeah, this is my best round of Clash of Codes so far. Like in terms of the puzzles wise. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'll probably. I hope I can top 100 after this. Okay, but even if I do, I still think I can stream some more. Yeah, it's quite fun. I do hope to stream some events soon. So I'm hoping for the spring challenge to come. Then I'll stream that as well. Okay, yep. So I'll be going off now and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye.